So over here you can see that I have an image, and now let's see how to convert mask to selection. So in order to convert mask to selection, first of all I need a mask. So I'm just going to go around and click on magic mask right here, and you can see that I can simply remove out these things right here. So I can go around right here, and maybe I want to increase the tolerance. I'm going to press Ctrl Z a few times. So I'm just going to increase out the tolerance, click here. Maybe more tolerance right here, click here, there you go. So here are some masking going on right here, just like this. So I can just go around and then draw out mask as well. So I'm just going to go around and then decrease the brush size just like this to be more precise. Click and drag it, there you go. All right, I'm not going to be very precise right here. It's good enough right here to show you how this actually looks. So there you go, we got a mask right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invert this mask out as well. So I'm going to, let's say for example, invert mask so that I only have the leaf. So right now I have the mask applied, but at times you may want to convert the mask into selection for different reasons. So I'm just going to go around, and then here you can see that you have an option, convert mask to selection. And once you do that, you don't have the mask anymore, you have the selection, as you can see. And now you can use the move tool right here, or you can go on to selection, work around with this. So you can see that this is the selection right here, just like this. I'm just going to place it back, or you can go to selection tool right here, and you can add to selection right here, just like this, according to how you like it, and then work it out as if this was a selection and not a mask. And that is how you can convert mask to selection inside of Pixlr E. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.